Hello everyone, this is Jay Thakur again, and this is our second video in our video tutorial series for Git. In the next few tutorials, what I want to cover is steps needed to make changes. Now, the change could be either a bug fix, an enhancement, or a feature that you are working on. Um, and to get started, I wanted to quickly go over our development workflow. So the first step is getting an incident or a request assigned to you from ServiceNow. As soon as that happens and you're ready to start working on your change, you would go in and create a development branch. So as a part of this video, I'm only going to cover how to create a branch using SourceTree. Right? So let's switch over to SourceTree. Um, So obviously the first step would be to clone a repository, which we've already done, and you've hopefully seen the video for that. For this example, I'm going to use a repository that we created during one of the training sessions that we had. It's called Training Session 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the master branch, and anytime you start working on a new project, right, you always want to make sure that you branch from master, because master represents the latest version of production code. So since I'm already on the master branch, this option is grayed out. Otherwise, it would be available to me and I could select checkout master, which essentially switches me to the master branch if I was on any other branches. So since that step is already done, we don't need to do it. The next step is to create the branch. So over here we have a branch button. It is asking us to enter the name of the new branch that we want to create, and we want to keep in mind that we want to follow the naming conventions that are set up in this software development document. So if you go on the left hand side and say, okay, I want to work on a bug fix, and the bug fix is supposed to look something like this, right? So essentially we're saying that we want to start the name of the branch with the incident number that is assigned from ServiceNow, and that is followed by a short description of what the bug actually is, or what the feature actually is. So I'm just going to copy that over. I'm going to go back to my source tree. I'm going to paste it. Now obviously I don't want to work on data corruption as a part of this example. I want to update background color. Okay, and you want this option checked, which will check out your new branch. It will create it and check it out. So I say create branch, and voila, the branch is created. It's that simple. And you should already be looking at that branch. The way you can tell what's the current branch you're looking at is you'll see that small check mark in source tree. You'll see that two places, over here and over here. And that's how you create a new branch.